I'm Jennifer Shooter, Field Specialist in Horticulture, and I'm out here at the Adair County Extension Center in the Lavender Research Plot. Today we're cutting flowers. This is the second time this season we have cut flowers from the lavender. The plant I'm showing you here is Melissa. Melissa is a white cultivar and seems to be really productive. We are cutting the flowers and placing them into a box, and then we will weigh each of the cultivar's flowers. We have a scale that we use, and the weights will be recorded, and the flowers will be dried and then distilled into oil. We may also use flowers to make some things like cookies for our upcoming lavender workshop. And today I have a master gardener here who is helping me cut the flowers. This is really a two-person job, so I'm glad to have master gardener help. But you can see through the plot that we do have some flowers in bloom on our lavender plants. And again, this is the second time this season we have been out here cutting flowers. If you'd like to know more about lavender, come to our lavender workshop on June 29th at the Adair County Extension Center from 6 to 8 p.m.